wangi. Na Outspa Show and a VTFM. Beto konikina.
Opunja celebrating 90 years.
Kay Vinod Patel.
VTFM e kamida ngai kachi.
Andro binaka Dems, Andro binaka Samu.
Andra binaka Atu, Andra binaka Dems.
Andra.
Well, good morning to each and everyone tuning in this morning. Likewise, they are happy, very smiling inside the bus to the driver because the driver is
Smiling as well.
Is smiling as well.
Yes.
And when they tap their card, insufficient fund, and the driver said, "Okay, you come maybe afternoon when you come back."
Yeah.
We meet again, then you can tap, double tap.
Rapa sumen na boss ni basimen.
Iyon, tunga na boss ni basi lori lebungo ni Asok.
Iyo.
KS001 babon to tuningo ilo toka baro na didaga suba to manitunga na bengara ni bipalevi. Niaya ni besto akuila dama.
Iyo.
Bula ka roa akuila dama. Vanu ni binaka bekemuni kena bubale ndo sema buli maingo na VTFM.
Andro binaka to all the drivers tuning in this morning. On our roads, be careful. Please follow the road rules and be careful of the students maybe walking on the sidewalk and to all the where they cross, they usually cross. Muninga garon kiran rabi to lili na mataka binaka ni kuwa. Bos bitala be kemuni keda na pass in the air buni bitokan inside the bus, inside the taxi, the minivan and maybe the family transport, the family car. And mataka ni benga rabi kuwa na to lili ni kambani. And buni garabi tabi kota ni andra ni mata binaka. Andra binaka by Dubs and LT1230 na Black Arrow.
Go.
Na belum sarta vingu, wana dorubuni nanggalingo.
Kapitan in tim ningyo visi menanggali.
Yes.
Muli binadala nga rota may say may Tonia bengara buli na LM470.
Right.
Ano ni binana buli bengara bina matabi na ni ko. Kaya kada lingi ni bengara non to lingo ni sala.
Yeah.
To all the mommies, to all the daddies, to all the household.
Iyo.
They are tuning this morning.
And likewise to each and everyone who want to become a daddy.
Come a dentist.
Want to become a dentist? Go rabi na mabati.
Yo.
Become a daddy. Want to become a daddy. Some of them want to become a mother.
Become a donkey.
Some of them, their age is very, very little, small. And they want to become a grandmother or grandfather. You know?
Yeah.
Jimmy
Suka.
taka notion gori.
Nadapa.
Do paka totol taka non rangkasi oira si wombolo tu nga sa pasuta loko irnangone. Sarapa ka makumbuni mai.
Oh, isa.
Ebang ko deme singo. Gabita ka na magabiko sa nabaw sa abu sa pakulubenta abu because the Messi don't like to be a grandfather.
Kain total.
Ha?
Utang kain total beo.
Ya sagi, asa.
Kami na.
No. Sandali ngayon ito talabi ko.
Did you hear a word of blessing come into the mouth of a promise that your generation will be like a sand in the sea?
Iyo.
Oh.
And the stars in the ka?
Iyo.
Before that, when Abu get married and have the kids,
Iyo.
that time, you're no hair.
No, ay sabi kaya no kaya that's the upper one. We will be growing fancy in our different environment.
Iyo.
We love to live.
Iya.
That's all right.
Para mawas dia.
Hate to live.
Head to live.
Hey, John Kumar, Jungle Novel, Efremi Tambu Dobi. Thank you very much for tuning in this wonderful morning.
Ano na kami na kada na ito kan na bese buruburan na matari ko. Okay, natalo na matari ko, nataro. Dems nata ba na yalo? What is spirit?
Spirit is a soul. Spirit is a air. Okay, rangi. You can see, you can feel it. Because it connects to the hair of your body. So ngone sena botomu. Goosebump. Goosebump connect to whatever close to you. Even though you are in some place and somebody stare at you. So that feeling your body will feel. Just like this.
Yeah.
You stay somewhere and a soul is thinking of you. What will happen? You'll sneezing.
Yeah.
You're gonna suru. So when a soul is there, you can't see, but you can feel it. So sometime when you go somewhere in the cemetery, the soul and the soul, they are different soul. The soul, there's a different type of soul. One soul without a body, and another soul is with a body. The soul inside our body is called a human being.
Okay. Because
A
you
soul
can
without a
activate-
body,
Mm.
it's called humanity.
Huh?
Kau rasa sing nimbula, kau kaya lo, kau kau toso sa liuyan in another life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Humanity.
Iya na humanity.
Iya.
Kau rasa lakukan ni sa sing nindo na rasa takalian ya.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's what another soul.
Yeah.
Us as a human being, the body is here.
Yeah.
If a soul is leaving this body,
Huh?
the body will be in a coffin.
Oh, right. Marge kelas, eh?
Ha.
Okay. Tukunoko ya. If a soul leaves the body. But so na kita untuk bitalan no. Kan kau rasa itu dah lo na simbulu tunga. Kita ketua tu ya.
Baby?
Wango kau kau simbulu tunga. Elu cukup lo na. Hey, elu cukup lo mu. While still living.
While still living.
Yeah.
One
Please
thing.
explain. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
The soul is gone.
Soap.
Apa?
Soap.
A soul miss apa? Iya, tahu ya lihat kan? When the soul, some people,
Yeah.
because that they lose control of their mindset.
Okay.
Right. Yeah.
Right.
The mindset.
Iya.
The mindset can leave you.
Yeah.
If the
Okay.
soul
Okay. Baru tahu cuma low to text.
Yeah.
Spirit and soul are two different things. Okay. Mga mata kira bertori lalo ni meroni. Arto borong cuma mana teni physics sa mata ni kuah.
Okay.
The soul and the spirit.
The spirit
Iya.
and the spirit.
Huh?
Na spirit. Na spirit na yalo eh. Na
Iya.
soul. Na sama na soul.
Oh, the spirit, some of
Pero
the...
yalo batang ha.
No, they're different.
Yo come.
You explain.
Ni sa tu ko na yo tatawa
Because you
tanong kay.
good education.
Ni sa tu ko na yo tatawa. Tu ko sa around indui. Ola tarin ko yan ba? Tu
Yeah.
ko ko mamal ta
Okay,
kamay.
the spirit go. The non-physical part of a person, which
Ayun.
is the seat of emotions
Good.
and character,
Ah,
the soul.
right.
Yeah.
Na sama na soul?
We seek harmony between body and spirit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Ano
Sarah.
itu kita na matari ko. Okay. What's the connection? Okay. Where does the spirit come from?
The spirit come from your body.
Yeah.
The body connect all this.
Okay.
The spirit and the soul.
How many spirits are there?
They are different kind of spirit.
Bakango, hey, spirit ni albel bela chubiko. Spirit, kango, spirit ni albel bela chubiko. Spirit ni ndaurai chubiko.
Ndio.
Spirit ni boso ta chu. Na bis na spirit. Eh?
Uyo, spirit ni... Spirit ni kana.
Iyo.
Spirit of jealousy.
Iyo.
Yeah.
Spirit ni songo butu.
Yeah.
Yes, okay. The spirit.
The spirit. If
Yeah.
we name the spirit, we will continue out spalang till the day come in the afternoon.
Yeah.
And that was true because so many words
Yeah.
are here and so many dignity.
Spirit wakame, spirit. Spirit, you wait for the kids to go to school.
Iyo.
Yes.
Empty the house.
The spirit of living.
Yeah.
The spirit of loving. The spirit of
right.
nurturing.
Iyo.
The spirit of hemoglobin.
Yeah.
Hemoglobin.
Iyo.
Yeah.
Dasar nga.
They're different kind of spirit.
Iyo.
So in each spirit,
Iyo.
you have to be careful of your spirit in the soul.
Oh,
Right.
Because
sorry.
your spirit can take you to a good place.
Yeah.
Your spirit too can cut your life into
Dono na
pieces.
okay, kembali. Dono tama torin bulu tunga elu tunalona.
Right. That's when you break someone you love. It's like a grieving.
Iyo.
Okay.
You grieving of something you love the most, and it's become to separate from you.
Painful.
It's very painful.
Right.
So it's there where there is a sometimes you lose control of your mind
Yeah.
because you lose something you love.
Yeah. Make me lose control.
You keep on sight like this. You correct to come on the bango.
Yeah, but you are not there.
Your mind is connecting to what you see. It's going somewhere.
Yeah.
Sometimes you forgot to close your eyes. Morimo na matamu.
Yeah.
Mukambulu.
Right.
Because of that,
Iyo.
your mind is going somewhere else. Something is hitting your inner core of your heart.
Some of the time they are talking, we're telling stories, but the spirit of yours is not here.
Yeah.
The spirit of speaking English while you are drunk.
Iyo.
Oh!
Okay, let's just tell them. Say, oh, mo tani chito mo tunam dabi talon matari ko. Okay, just the last question to them this morning. The connection between the mind and the spirit.
These two, they work together.
Go.
If you yes, the mind is on top.
Iya.
the spirit is within you,
Inside.
inside.
Lambala.
So they are both covered with our red blood cell, white cell, and everything
Yeah.
Yeah.
in our life.
Right.
They are, if you see both of them, they are truly covered with our bone.
Yeah.
To cover them, because when they are
Cover
hit,
with the bone.
in the sui
Skull.
skull,
Yeah.
the skull from the head,
But you boneless.
boneless bone na to. So when there you see someone,
Yeah.
the mind
Yeah.
is there. It's forming in a Mararoi.
Yeah.
It's like a fortress.
Lambala.
It's like a fortress
Yeah.
to cover them, to keep them, because when someone hurt them,
Yeah.
the body itself will feel everything.
Di Nasara.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
If your mind is hurting,
Yeah.
and your heart is hurting, your
Yeah.
soul is hurting,
Yeah.
your body it's become weak. It's like a
Hingi
nothingless.
penki.
Yeah.
It's like a nothingless. Nothingless ya. Ya satu man ra nasenga.
Yeah.
Ya sa senga saranga. Iyo, saya ba? Doon ka na tabal.
Don't move
You're very, very good.
Yeah.
You're very, very julum. Your mind is very, very good.
Yeah. So the Mrs. mind and his soul is working together now.
Working together now.
We are working together.
Sometimes when I saw you tamale,
Yeah.
your soul is from different place and your mind is from different place.
That's when love is gone.
And your tongue is
When mommy is gone without permission.
Love is gone.
Yeah. No trespass. Hey, Nabalemu, come.
Hey.
before.
Yeah.
Before the what?
Before. Selkaba squad. And Sinetuku knows very well what we're talking about.
Right. Kesta, bule menaka be atu bata ke Penny.
Yeah.
Amay na ongo be Simon Ramusalu.
Dito na yalo na spirit ni Kana.
Bertala.
Yes, person na wrong spirit
Ha.
So do kembali na lebu tu na be matagal spirit.
Petero Tupidi. Eh, kasi.
Ako be tarong sarma nga boy na no do modi.
Iyo.
No nando modi kina. Nelon de soto bata kina lo bele bela ya ko kada kina kantebor. Se dava.
Dino sar.
Ikong kita lo Nelon ke lo ke utam besar ngani ka na kona.
Iyo.
Don maksara buni maka, ampa buni maka.
Iya.
Don turang lolo lebu tu ya.
Gol.
Kembali nelom ya.
Mm.
Se dava.
So nga naman untuk patalik kenda nanta pakasam.
Oi.
Na ital no nga nan resor na numutukino kenda minta pakasama ta kamenta sariri.
Iya,
Kiko sino kilatu ni bono ya pakatawan itu saya tabi ko toso nga.
Iya.
Iko na sini ka. Ke pakai ko sana maka.
Iya.
Nindo na ka gaya do mikir ke pakai manu mantanga. Iko siya lital no tangan ni kaya hindi natiko.
Kiba kan donan dunawas.
Sabukin na last mentina.
San lebu kinala subindin.
Bataka nga ko baka sama
Ko
taga.
sa mata ko sana maka tiko pakai kibel taman. Ni sarito kon donan dia pon sa sisi sambu tadi kina sandrum. Asa bore te sa bola. Mulai na ka nakanggu mil tamani. Atu yan rabi na ka bayar to ni biro nongon isi.
Onesis lawa.
Mulai na ka. Iya satu na yalo sa musimay.
Di nasara iya. Ya sana ka ba ya bikin no kanta na yalo bataki na yang we. Ito doon mero taka di in harmony siguro raw eh.
Gor.
Kan to biro na
Keke.
sana siguro binak. Ana lay affect kalian dua. Ya kita sama kali binak ni na to tu dapat kasama bataki na yalonda. Ada sih bilang di kos na ka porporan dan stava. So na kanren dan stava bikin no kan na kambi bimo taka bangon dan reba kana ronguri.
Iya.
Dan reba kana bolong gori.
Tu na demuria narawa.
Kuno ba ya ongori.
Tu na ko ay.
Ya ongori.
Balik ke pakosana pa mana mo bakan demini ko mi sama itigini no mambula.
Iya.
Kanga na ka ko ya.
Iya.
Enak kania na nomu. Naurun niya ngum.
Di nasara.
Nelom.
Nelom.
Hindi na nelom. Kaya sararaw na nelom loma. Ena makatakilan na ngum. Iko na luto na ngum.
Di
Ko
nasara.
na lilamay. Ena kila. Bata.
Sini ka nang bula.
Apa le tswa lutu na ngom?
Eh siya ang na tiring.
Oh.
Very good. Good healthy. A better person. A better life. Alright. Bila kita sana pa. Like heart. Siya ta ka ng